Hey there, creatives. Welcome back to Creative Animatrix, your go-to spot for all things graphic design and animation. Today, we've got something special in our channel. We're diving into the world of radar logo animation. Radar animations are a dynamic way to bring your logo to life. Whether you're aiming for a high-tech vibe or a sleek, clean, minimalistic look, a radar effect can make your brand stand out. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of editing a stunning radar logo animation. So, let's get started with the edit tutorial. After putting everything together, it's all about the final touches. Tweak the timing, and don't forget to include sound effects to enhance the realism. Once you're satisfied with the result, it's time to export your animation and share it with the world. And there you have it, a sleek, clean, and professional Radar logo animation. I hope this tutorial sparked some inspiration for your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or requests for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.